We are going to review top 5 best food prep tables. Let's get started. List number 1. John Bu's Cucina Elegante. Thanks to its flip-up sides, the surface of the John Bu's Cucina Elegante, which is crafted from the high-quality chopping block wood the company is known for, can be expanded when you need more workspace, and just as easily retracted when you don't. Durable dovetail drawer. 2 perforated shelves. Stylish edge grain construction. John Bu's Cucina Elegante 30 inches by 20 inches hard maple top with cart. This 30 inches by 20 inches hard maple top with cart is from John Bu's and is perfect for use in professional kitchens. The maple top is 1/3 thick and the overall height of the cart is 35 inches. The top is made from hard maple edge grain construction with varnish finish. List number 2. Home Styles Liberty 4513-95. With tall cabinets and a set of drawers, the Home Styles Liberty 4513-95 gives you plenty of extra storage space. Its body is constructed of a combination of solid and engineered wood, and its top is made of stainless steel. Brushed nickel hardware. Built-in spice rack. Makes a great kitchen island. Enhance your kitchen area by adding the Liberty Kitchen Cart by Dolly Madison. This kitchen cart will provide additional space for your kitchen storage needs. Constructed of hardwood solids and engineered wood in a black finish with a 0.8 mm thick stainless steel top. Features include 2 adjustable shelves in each cabinet door, 3 storage drawers. List number 3. Honey Can Do Urban. Those in small apartments or with similarly tiny cooking areas should check out the Honey Can Do Urban, which folds down into a compact size that's easy to store out of sight. Sitting on 4 wheels, it can be moved with little effort. Lower wire mesh shelf. Moisture and rust resistant. Very lightweight. Honey Can Do TBL 01566 Folding Urban Work Table, stainless steel. The stainless steel folding work table is a great way to easily gain additional counter space in the kitchen, craft room, or workshop. It can even be used outdoors as a serving area while entertaining, then simply fold it flat and store it away. Fully portable, this work table is set on smooth rolling casters, making it easy to maneuver while in use and locks in place for stability. List number 4. Royal Gourmet PW2448D. With a removable bottom level and rounded corners, the Royal Gourmet PW2448D is a versatile and safe option. Its foot caps should prevent scratches to your floors, and its folding legs allow you to pack it nearly flat when not in use. Made entirely of stainless steel. Holds up to 583 pounds. Also good for garages or workshops. This high-quality table by Royal Gourmet has a full stainless steel construction that features an extra heavy-duty top, a removable undershelf, and folding legs for convenient carry or storage. The double shelves offer large storage space and make your items organizing easy. 35/8 ideal height provides a comfortable work position while standing. List number 5. Cutter Unity. If you do a lot of cooking outdoors, then the Cutter Unity may be the choice for you thanks to its weather-resistant polypropylene construction. It has 2 spacious storage cabinets and comes with 4 S-hooks to let you keep essentials nearby. Paper towel holder. Built-in bottle opener. Wheels roll smoothly. Entertain this summer in style. When patio dining storage needs to look good and function well, the Cutter Unity Extra Large Entertainment Storage Table, Prep Station provides all that you need. Perfect for both indoors and out, this storage cabinet offers efficient mobility as it glides from the kitchen to the deck with ease. Its brilliantly designed structure provides numerous options for use, such as a mobile kitchen island, an attractive deck box alternative,